Well, the night court installation for Absolut was inspired by, obviously, the American trophy. Trophy modern is furniture made with trophy parts, and I think the tension of trophy modern is taking a material that's not usually associated with good taste and making it visually appealing. Absolut caught wind of that furniture and asked me to design furniture for their art bar experience here in Art Basel, Miami, so I obliged, and here we are. Also, in the styling of trophies and trophy parts, it's a celebration. There's a kind of celebratory aspect to achievement and winning, and so I like that this furniture inspires excitement and a sense of celebration. Even if you haven't won any of it, you're just sitting on it.